Halo, assalamualaikum. Selamat datang. Apa kabar? Aku teman-teman sahabat kakakku. Hari ini kembali lagi ini orang Bangladesh guys, mau nonton video terbaru ini juga walking around Food Street PIK Island. Food Street PIK Island, very beautiful island, and Food Street this is Indonesia, very creative country. There are food street. Oh my god. Too many students used to Gambel village, sky bridge, pedestrian bridge, to creative people in Indonesia, very enjoyable and very dreamy people guys. So let's take a bus tour from to food street from Indonesia guys. So guys, and my request to you who not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, turn on bell notification to get daily update videos from my channel. Okay guys, started. This is Food Street. Bagus itu malam video ini. Food Street from Indonesia. Aku suka, aku cinta negara Indonesia. Ini orang Bangladesh selalu hari-hari nonton video semua di Indonesia, walking around jalanan videos, makanan videos, di shopping mall, di pedestrian bridge. Semua update videos aku suka, aku nonton, aku menonton hari-hari ini orang Bangladesh. So aku sahabat, teman-teman, kakakku, abang semua di Indonesia, subscribe dong video channel Al Hafiz itu. Kamu juga boleh nonton video terbaru Indonesia. Indonesia bagus country, Food Street, how beautiful, oh my god. This is Food Street. I like it guys, how dreamy views, the night views. Wow, this street, Food Street, they are selling food. There's on the street, there's this street named Food Street. Oh my god, in Bangladesh, in my country, don't have like that Food Street. Oh wow, Indonesian people too creative and too dreamy, to luxurious peoples, to luxurious lifestyle, the peoples of Indonesia. I love it guys, I love it. PI is a P. Oh my god. There are a lot of food counters. They are selling food. A lot of food counter and they are selling food guys. How clean everything food. Just selling food on the street. That's why this street name Food Street. Very big. Enjoyable, I love it. I'm excited to travel Indonesia. I'm excited to move in Indonesia, making vlogs from Indonesia. Oh my god, they are cooking Indonesian style. They are cooking always. Wow, how beautiful guys. I love it. Neat and clean always, 24 hours, neat and clean, fresh. They are eating. They never eat on the. Sometimes they are eating at home. They love to eating on the outside on the restaurant. There's in Indonesia too many restaurants. Indonesian people eating a restaurant, they love it to eating on the restaurant. That's the guys. Wow, I love it. This is night view from Food Street PIK Island. This is island, PIK Island, another beautiful tourist attraction, another beautiful tourist destination, PIK Island, beautiful tourist spot, PIK Island. Guys, how lighting on the night also look like day. They use powerful light. Available food street, PIK Island, Indonesia. Too many thousands of island Indonesia, more than thousands of island Indonesia. All people are too luxurious and too beautiful and dreamy. How decorated! Oh my God! Indonesia always look like wedding ceremony. Whole country decorated, look like wedding ceremony. Oh, wow, with twinkle lights. I love it. Indonesia. This is very excellent country in the world. Indonesia. Wow, kebab chicken. Wow, how perfect cooking this guys. I was hungry guys to eating Indonesian food. I love it guys, I love it. Wow, too much beautiful. I love it guys. Indonesia. Too many people gathered. Oh, they watching menu for order food, their favorite food. All are young men and women. They are gathered on this food street. They're eating Indonesian food. Wow, I love it guys. How lighting on the food street, PIK Island, very beautiful also. Wow, beautiful Indonesia. Beautiful Indonesia. I love it. I love it guys. Wow, how much beautiful. Wow, crab Makassar, seafood Makassar. Wow, Indonesian flag, red and white, the flying. I love it. Indonesian flag, red and white, the fly. I love it. Wow, Indonesian flag, red and white, the flag. Wow, very beautiful. How creative this is. This is also Indonesian flag. Wow, lighting colors change. Indonesian flag, red and white. How they love it. How they love their country. Indonesian flag colors, red and white, guys. I love it. I love it. Indonesian flag color, red and white. How beautiful, dreamy country Indonesia. Love it. See, guys, on the footpath, street, road, the night views also very beautiful. I love it. I love it. Wow, very beautiful in the world. See, guys, wow, I love it. I love it. This is Buddhist temple. This is Buddhist area. Right? That's a Buddhist temple. Wow, beautiful. He is the king of PIK Island, maybe. Hosen Duta Budaya. Guys, this is PIK street food street from PIK Island. This video collected from Walking Around Salon. Maybe their brothers, the admin of the Walking Around Salon, he moved PIK Island. Always he lives in, I think, in Jakarta. He make more videos about from Jakarta. This PIK Island is very beautiful and creative. Look how beautiful. In America also have like that island. This is PIK from Indonesia. Beautiful and tourist spot, to luxury sceneries, food street, too many people. The night time they gathered on the food street and they eating. They never eat on the at their houses. Indonesian people love to eat on the restaurant outside because they are very hard worker people. They're doing very hard work on the outside, no fish on the factory. That's why they don't have time to cook on the houses. That's why they work hard more and earn money, and then they eating on the restaurant. Like that, the Indonesian culture, Malaysian culture also like that. They don't love to cooking and wasting times at home. They love to working hard the outside on the field, on the factory like this, and that's why they want to save their times. That's why they're eating on the restaurant. Wow, very luxurious and beautiful people, creative people, industrial people. I love it, guys. Indonesian people from Bangladesh, absolutely Indonesia, very good country, very unique country, very talented people, very dreamy people, very hardworking people, very polite people. Indonesian people, I love it. I love it, I love it. So dear brother and sister from Indonesia who daily watch my channel but not a subscribe, I request you, dear brother and sister, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification to get daily update videos from my channels, because every single day I uploaded about Indonesian related videos in my channel. Then you also can enjoy all kinds of Indonesian related videos in my channel. And if you have any special videos, you also can write the comment section below. I will take reaction, you suggested videos. Stay peace, stay blessed, bye bye.